Welcome to DM007. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Download link is in this video description. Okay, let's get back to the topic. Step into a world of creativity with dozens of Figma designs. Explore sleek landing pages crafted for conversion, and powerful CRM dashboards designed to simplify business workflows. Every detail is meticulously planned for a smooth and intuitive user experience. From mobile apps to responsive web designs, everything adapts perfectly across devices. Whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or desktop, your users will enjoy a seamless experience with designs that look stunning on every screen. Check out interactive game designs, booking apps, VPN and location-based apps, all created with creativity and usability in mind. Every project tells a unique story and showcases innovative UI concepts. Boost productivity with chatbots, file storage solutions, and video recording apps. Each design focuses on clarity, simplicity, and functionality, making complex tasks feel effortless. From creative concepts to fully functional UI/UX designs, every project reflects precision, attention to detail, and modern digital aesthetics. A complete portfolio of digital experiences is now at your fingertips. Thank you for watching DM007. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, like, subscribe, and explore more of my Figma design portfolio. And check the description. Thank you. Let's bring your ideas to life.